So hello friends, I'm Isidro Clem Arianto. This is a lighter. There is the switch, and then there is the lock, and then there is the pressure regulator for the gas, and then there is the tank, and then the pipe so you can safely use it at the barbecue party. Now, let's see what is inside because this is still on the outside. Just open it. And then you open this, and then you just do this. And the bottom here, okay, the back. So this is inside the lighter. There is the lock. It will prevent this one from actually clicking in with the gas and the magnet. This is the magnet for igniting the gas. So this is a full gas tank, and then there is the pipe. If your lighter is broken, it is most likely the pipe because it has the gas and it gets pretty hot up here. And then there is the wire. It will ignite it up here, as you can see here. It will ignite it here. And then there is the pressure regulator. It will just let more or less gas through. Yeah, that is actually pretty much it. And then there is the refiller, gas refiller, butane. Now let me just close it. Make sure something is off, that's for sure. Okay, there you go. Then for the screws, it's actually just additional safety. Wrong way. Because there is the sides, the plastic that clicks in with another piece. So yeah, don't forget to put this one here on the top, and you're set with your out. Oh, wait, you're already unlocked. Then make sure it has in the middle. There you go, it works. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.